Once upon a time, in great ancient era of Greek legends, there was a lady named Cassandra. It was a time before we actually counted history. Cassandra was famous as one of the most beautiful lady of her contemporary era. She was so beautiful that she got the attention of the god Apollo. Apollo was one of the most widely revered and influential of all the ancient Roman and Greek gods. And in the time of before history, gods and humans were mixed and interacting. Apollo was deeply fallen for Cassandra, but she wasn't interested. Apollo really worked hard to convince her for marriage. She told if Apollo gave her the gift of prophecy, gift to see what is in the future, to see what is coming in the time. If she receives this gift of prophecy, she would consider the proposal to marry him. Apollo, being the god, was able to grant this gift of prophecy to the most beautiful lady in his eyes. Cassandra got the gift of prophecy. Came the day of marriage, but Cassandra had no real intention to marry him. She left him in agony. Apollo was in rage. But in the books of God, what a god had given, a god cannot take away. But what we learned from Greeks, that God were truly twisted when they cursed. And the curse Apollo gave to Cassandra that she wouldn't find anybody who will believe her words. She went insane. She got insane because she wouldn't find anybody who could believe her words. She was able to see what is coming in the future. She was aware what needs to be done. But she wouldn't find a single person who will believe her words. Nobody could feel what she can feel. Nobody can see what she can see. The curse of Cassandra. Don't we do have this curse of Cassandra? How many times we had been clamoring so loud and clear, but realizing that other side is neither listening nor believing us? How many times we have failed in our conversation within relations, within profession, and to the least while interacting with growing kids? I encourage you to go one step ahead along with me. Just imagine that you are alone in your house. There is no externalities involved here. You are sitting in a room with closed eyes. Don't you feel that you do have a curse of Cassandra inside you? How often your logical sense had been communicating to you that you need to work on your lifestyle changes. You need to work on effective ways of communication within your relations. You need to build new skills and capabilities for effective growth in your profession. Are you not failing there? Are you not observing that your inner subconscious sense is not listening to you or not believing in you, like a curse of Cassandra? And what exactly are we doing in these situations? Either we have been finding somebody to blame, externalities, or inevitably we have been blaming self with guilt. It wouldn't work out in this way. If you want to come out of this curse of Cassandra, I encourage you to visit our website www.spurstoheal.in, because at Spurs to Heal we believe that an honest conversation is the way to heal somebody's feelings, emotions.